Are you looking for info about Kidderminster fencing quotes? You are in the right place. Finding the right fencing can be challenging, but knowing what to ask will save you time and money. One common mistake is not researching multiple quotes. Always compare prices and reviews before making a decision. This helps you avoid overspending on low-quality work. Another mistake is overlooking the installation costs. Make sure to discuss total costs up front with your contractor to avoid surprises later. Lastly, don't choose materials based solely on price. Known for durability, certain materials may save you money in the long run by reducing maintenance. How can I find a reliable fencing contractor in Kidderminster? Ask for recommendations or search online for contractors with positive reviews and happy customers like ours. For more fencing quotes in Kidderminster, call 07763628039 for a no-fee landscaping quote today. Let us help you find the perfect fencing solution. Want to discover more about our professional landscaping services? Visit www.zenpave.co.uk and take a step closer to your perfect garden.